So in case of question number 4, without using calculator, okay, this is square root 49. So yesterday, as I told you, we use prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. Okay, so you people already know what are the prime numbers. So 49 means 7 divides 49 7 times. Okay, so it means what you can write. This is 7 times 7, and this will make one pair. So one element you have to write from one pair. Okay. For example, now yesterday we discussed the 112, 40, 44, and now suppose we have this is square root, it's part B. We have square root 64. So do this prime factorization here. This is 2. Start from the least number 2. This is then 32. 2 divide 32 16 times. 2 divide 16 8 times. Then 4 times. Then 2 times, and then 1. You have to factorize it until you get 1. You can see the last digit should be 1. So you can write this is 2 times 2. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 2, then 2, then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you have to make a pair of 2 elements that you can make. So this is the first pair. Okay, this is the first pair, and then another pair. Okay, and then another pair. You can see we have 3 pairs. So you have to write one element from each pair. So then, but then you will have to remove sign of square root. This is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, this 2 from this pair, this 2 from this pair, and this 2 from this pair. Right? So this becomes 8. So it means square root of 64 is 8. Okay. So after square root of 576, we have to find out square root of 1521. We'll use same method. This is prime factorization method, and we see its factors. This is 1521. Okay. So since it's odd number, because once digit is odd, so the whole number will be odd, so it will not be divisible by 2. So next odd number is next prime number is 3. So let's we check whether it's divisible by 3. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 8 plus 1 9. Yeah. Sum of all digits is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So this number will be divisible by 3. So 3 5 ja. Okay, then 2 not divisible, put 0, and then it's 21. This 7 ja. Okay. Then again 5 plus 7 is 12, divisible. Okay. So this is 3 1 ja, then 20. 20 means then 3 6 are okay 18, and 2 carry over 27 9. Okay, if you have problem like to divide, you can do division separately. Like means you can see 3 1 5 2 1. Oh, sorry. I will sorry, I will write like 3 1 5 2 1. So 3 5 is 15. Okay, then 2 cannot divide, right? 0 here, then 7. 21. Okay, so this way you can do division, and then you can write here the quotient. Then 169 is the perfect square of 13. We also already know this one. So 13 divides this 169 13 times, then 13 1. Okay, so we can make a pair 3 times 3 and then 13 times 13. So we have two pair, and we have to write one element from each pair, and this is 3 and this is 13. So this is 13. So it means the square root of 1521 equals to 39. Clear, guys? Right? So this it means what? This square root 28 comes, right, after 5 and before 6. Understanding? First of all, we have to write 28, and we write just a perfect square before 28, that is 25, and then perfect square after 28, here 36. Let's put sign of square root over them, and square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 36 is 6. So this square root 28 comes right between 5 and 6. 5, you can see 5 and 6 both are integers. Okay, and guys, you try this question number 6D. Try this is square root 150. Okay, try this
12 and 13.
12 perfect square. So this is 4. So how do we get 4? 1 times 3 plus 1. Okay, you can see this is the counting number, natural number, 1 and 2, then 3, then 4. Here what? After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after 2. So this is also a pattern to find out the squares. Okay, so if I ask you, you have to find out next, what will be the next after 4? See, there is a 5, then here 6, then plus 1. So this is what? 36. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 1, 36. Okay, then you can write 6 times 8 plus 1. So this is 49. Okay, then you can write uh, three more squares you can find out by using this pattern. Is it correct? Clear? I have written here for 5 and 6, then you do 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then use the next and use the pattern this one. Okay, this pattern you can also use. But first of all, do this 7, 8.